Mama said there'd be boys like you, tear my heart in two, doing what you do best, taking me for a ride.
Hello guys! Welcome to your first DIY video from Jacey's time. So first you're going to need a little bit of water. This is for kids, but under three.
Ingredients you need.
Then you're going to have this thing, but when you put this, it won't make any mess, because look. Mamma mia. So if you're trying to hit it from there, it will work. None of it will splash anywhere, and voila! The water's still here. I accidentally spilled it. But yeah, that's your damn right. That was a cool some DIYs. But yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye.